Well, Coach Tuberville, once again, you and I standing shoulder to shoulder fighting for constitutional rights. I can't tell you how grateful I am to stand with you, and whether it's fight for the sanctity of life or fight to protect our Second Amendment, I'm proud to stand with you. And that's why we're here today. We want to fight for the right of we the people to elect our next president, not a bunch of judges. And I just want to make it perfectly clear again why this is so important to people back home. They feel like this is yet another attack by Joe Biden on their constitutional rights. This White House has locked us out of our churches and out of our synagogues. They've tried to take away our Second Amendment. They've censored our speech, and now the White House wants to knock out the leading candidate, the likely next president of the United States, from the ballots back home. Now, I'm not an attorney, and there's a lot at stake here behind us. But really what's at stake is making sure that the American people get to elect the next president and not the Supreme Court. To people back home, this sounds like this is another political witch hunt, that this is another weaponization of the judiciary system by Joe Biden. But what's at risk for the future is if they would call this an insurrection, then why wouldn't we call 10 million people crossing the border illegally an insurrection? Why wouldn't we call the situation where you take away your freedoms of speech, your freedoms of religion, your freedoms to bear arms, why wouldn't we call that an insurrection as well? Look, the people need to make this decision. We the people need to make the decision on who's going to be our next president. And what we know is going to happen here is this is going to embolden the American people even more, that they're going to get out and vote. You know what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. This is going to make President Trump even stronger. This is going to motivate people to get out and vote for him. His poll numbers are going to go up tomorrow. Thank you so much.